around and tore my Achilles. Fucking bars, I mean with it. Slide in and swing with it. When I park, I'm clean with it. Having fun, I done scheme with it. Some kids gotta run it back. My bars be flying over hats. If I say it, they know it's facts. If you say it, they know you cap. Super cap. Over cap.
YouTube, what up? It's your boy Young Rich 419, back with another video. See, got my little nigga in here. She love being outside the yard, for sure. You know what I'm saying? It's nice Saturday right now. About to go hop in this Srt8 thing today. Look at this mug hit. Look at this mug hit though. Let me go over here, man. Gotta move the Durango. But look at this mug hit though. Mug hit on them though, man. Like Jesus Christ. Like God damn. Flaked up. Yeah, about to go ahead and I've been driving this actually the past 2 days. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing like being in this mud, just cruiser. People be like, what the hell this is? Think it's a money and shit. Anyway, about to slide up out of here. I'm gonna change clothes in a minute though. I gotta clean this mug because last time I drove it, got little spots all over it. Y'all can tell. Probably can't tell. It's a little dirty. You know what I mean? Probably gotta drop some air in this tire. This tire had this tire about 5 years on this motherfucker. It's due for a new tire next year in 23. You know what I'm saying? We got the Durango, but to move this motherfucker. I'm about to hit these lanes. You know what I'm saying? With the Mally. You feel me? Big dog Rango. Real deal Holyfield. Let me show no navigation. Keep me showing them where I stay. I remember I did that one time in the video. They didn't recognize it. For real. Gotta cut it from the video. Where's my dog at? So I don't want her big head butt over. You up there? I don't know where you at. I know you ain't behind me though. But yeah, man, go ahead and slide. About to go ahead and slide in the Magnum, man. You feel me? And that's that. Oh, there you go. About to slide in the Magnum. Probably go grab a drink somewhere. And that's it, man. Man. Yeah, man, once I clean the Magnum up, cut you back on, I'm gonna hit the lanes in this mug. Feel me? Alright, man. Gas station pull up. You know what I mean? And this looking beauty. Look at this beauty. Yeah. Anyway, I'm about to roll out here, get in these lanes. Feel me? Blocking the camera. Hold on.
The thing's gonna work.
Yeah. Everybody getting these lanes. Show this little SRT what it's like in the night. You feel me? Check me out. Sixes. It's a bumpy ass road. It's windy as hell outside too though. Don't mind my check engine light. That's the little one of them. I think it's a bad wire, man, because I replaced everything they gotta do with the gas cap, and a couple other things that I replaced that I can't remember right now. Come to find out, it's a bad wire somewhere because it keep cutting on and off. So. And I ain't got time to get no dealer shit right now and figure out what the wire, my bad wire is. You still get down on 26s, man. Steel with floaters on them. But y'all like, y'all share, y'all subscribe. With your boy. Watch the other vids. You know what's up, man. See y'all in the next one. Peace.